Hi guys, my name is Benson and I do own a shop and I fix German cars quite often. This is my YouTube channel. If anything that you think you like or it helped you a little bit, please consider subscribe and comment and like. That will help me grow my channel. I just started doing voiceover, so if anything helps, please recommend in the comment. Change the brake on this 2022 GLS 450, the front brakes. I'm gonna show you what tools we need. So basically the tools you need is you need to compress the piston, and then I think this is a 14 or 15. Let me see. I think it's a 15 or a 14, I forgot. And then you're gonna take out these big bolts right there. I believe they're 21. So it's like the regular brake job. It's pretty easy and straightforward. I think the only problem you have will be this one, the, how you call this, the little clips. I'm gonna show you how I do it, but let me take out the caliper first and I'll show you later. So I just want to show you something quick. So basically, you see how the pads are like, it's like this. Do you see that? So in order to put it in for the new setup, sorry, let me set up my lights. It's like this. So you squeeze in the tab right here, push, and then push in. It's like this. It's weird. So push, and then push in. Sorry, I make that like probably 5 video, but just want to let you know that's how you're supposed to do it on the both side as well. I mean, so that bolt was actually a 15 millimeter. I think these ones are 21. Let me get my tools. So after you take out the caliper, it's a 21 mil by the way, 21 mil bolts. Then you have these clips that you want to replace. It's like this. It comes in the new one. So all you want to do is just push it back in, and then yeah, you replace all the clips on this one. So just a little trick for you guys. I actually like to put everything in and then put the whole caliper onto the car. It's a little easier for me, but whatever you guys think. So right now I have put the clips in. I'll show you the next caliper. If I can do it with one hand, then I'll take a video for you. But basically the clips you have to push in and then push in. Yeah. So sorry, I forgot to film again. But basically you wanna put the pads in first into the caliper bracket, and then install the bracket with the brake pads. Yeah, it's way easier that way. And this guy on the other side, it has a sensor. I just have to clip this up and pull the sensor out. So it's not that hard. Everything is very same as the Mercedes brake job. So yeah, I don't think it's that hard. So that's everything for this job. The torque for the wheels is 150 Newton meter. If this video helped you in any sort of way, please comment and subscribe. Thank you.